All right, this is the elevator at Macy's. Riverchase, Galleria, Hoover, Alabama. I believe we have a Series 1 modded with PTL. Yep. There's your first hint. Yep, there's the lock. 3. This elevator is so mediocre compared to what the rest of the store looks like. The rest of the store is beautiful. Still runs like a Series 1. This is still a Series 1 at heart, this elevator. This is like what they did to the one at Smith Haven. I mean the mall elevator, not Macy's. Wow, that took a hot second. The escalator layout in this store is very, very, very unique. I've never seen it at any other department store I've ever been to, let alone a Macy's. I forget what this opened as, though. I don't think it was a Riches. I think that's the one at Brookwood Village, but I don't know if this opened as a Macy's or not. Somebody on YouTube has a video of this as a Series 1. I forget who it is, but someone has it. Somebody has it. And that's the original fan over in the corner there. Yep, that's where Series 1s put their fans. All right, let's go back up to 3. That's where I want to end it. Pre-ADA, no star on 1. This elevator is so mediocre for what the rest of the store looks like. The rest of the store is beautiful. That's really weird that the men's cologne is on 2. You know what? Probably all the fragrances are on 2. This elevator wouldn't hurt to fully replace it, but it gets the job done. Just the door takes way too long to open. And oh my God, this store is fucking gorgeous. Holy shit. That elevator is so mediocre for what the rest of the store is. Let me show you this. Now looks pretty normal right here. But alas, let me ask you, have you ever seen an escalator layout like this? Crisscross applesauce. Amazing. That's it.